What is up, everybody? Baron Von Straub coming at you with a long-awaited another action figure review. We are back today to acknowledge the tribal chief, the reigning, defending, undisputed Universal Heavyweight Champion, Roman Reigns. Let's jump in and take a look at this figure. So standard Ultimate packaging for this, no different than any other Ultimate that's been out there, aside from the fan channel takeovers. It's all pretty standard. This was from Wave 14, so this one's should be out at most places now. Inside you get the figure, three total heads, a t-shirt, the SmackDown Universal title, and then his necklace, and then also a set of alternate hands. So looking at the articulation on this, from all the other Ultimates with the exception of the Fiend, it's pretty much the same. Double jointed knees, got that toe articulation there for increased posability. This one seems a little stuck. I don't know if it's the mold itself or just a bad hinge, but it doesn't really come out as much as the other one. Even the left leg comes out a little bit more than the right. We got the swivel right there at the hips, ball joint right attached at the torso, butterfly joints, double jointed elbows, wrist swivels back and forth as well. Pretty standard as far as articulation for these Ultimates. I really enjoy this one. Ball head's connected to a ball joint, of course. The Roman Reigns itself, I think, is a really good sculpt. It looks really good. The tattoo work is really good. As you can see, it goes down the back. And because of the style of tattoo, it really doesn't look bad when you move the joints, like the way it just kind of fills out. I think looks real natural. Of course, that, just like he has, the armpit is not colored at all, but really good job on this particular one. So looking at the other stuff that comes with him, you of course have the necklace, the flowers that the tribal elders have placed on him. So it's kind of a staple of Roman Reigns gear right now that he walks out to. Also included is a soft goods t-shirt featuring the bloodline. It's of course got him, Paul Heyman, the Usos. Good soft goods. This is not a solid t-shirt. It does have that Velcro back, so it's easy to get on and off. Does come with a couple sets of hands, the closed fists, of course, which is good for delivering like the Superman punch and moves like that. So really good they included that. And then it does also include the open hands, which are good for holding like chairs, microphones, the title belts, stuff like that. Open hands are great for doing that. 3 head sculpts included with this. You got like the bun up promo Roman Reigns, then the hair down, I'm ready to go in the ring Roman, and then as like the, I guess, action head is him doing that like kind of tribal scream, which is pretty cool. But honestly, that head sculpt really only works if posed correctly, and with a good pose on it, the head works. Other than that, it is kind of weird how it's all angled back and stuff like that. So all in all, pretty solid figure that we got here. Added that extra belt there because, of course, he is the undisputed heavyweight champion. He has both. Figure retail, you should be seeing them out places like Target and stuff like that. Anywhere from, I've seen slight variations, but it's all around that $35 mark. Some places maybe $36.99. Some places maybe like $34.99. Just depends. That's pretty much the price online. So that's MSRP of around that price. As far as the figure itself, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. I don't really know, like, I don't know what's missing of it. Maybe the extra title belt, maybe more hands, accessories, stuff like that. It's probably the best Roman Reigns that's been done so far. I do, at some point here in the near future, want to get that 3-pack that comes with him, Paul Heyman, and Brock. That's just a regular Elite, not the Ultimate. But this one's got great posability. What comes with it is good. Maybe a different head sculpt. I don't know. Maybe some different expressions on the head sculpts. I don't know. Something... It feels like it's missing something, but I just can't put my finger on what that is. So if you have an idea of what you would have liked to see it include, throw that in the comments. Let me know what you think. That'll pretty much wrap up this figure review. Definitely appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next review.
Acknowledge me!